in my chosen field as a teacher in the education industry, computer plays a very big part. Kasi like in the classroom, for example, most of them kasi most of them are using technology. So as a teacher, it is very important for us to know how to use it as well so that we can maximize it in our teaching strategies. And I think it also lessens the burden of the teachers, not doing the traditional way of teaching but using computer in our classes.
Caregiver in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
How does computer technology help you in your work as a OFW?
Computer technology helps me a lot, especially in communication. I use my phone laptop to stay connecting with my employer and my family in the Philippines. It makes my work easier and less stressful.
What communication tools do you usually use?
I usually use message, WhatsApp, emails, and video calls. And sometimes I also use Zoom when attending online seminars or FWs.
How important is communication through computers to you?
It is very important because I am far from my family. Through video calls and chat, I can still see and talk to them every day. I reduce homesickness and makes me feel closer to them. Yes,